Hello children, today I am going to start the new chapter, that is going places. This chapter is about the imagination done by the teenagers. This chapter is about that the children who are in teenage, they often travel in the world of dream or they often visit in the world of fantasy, especially the teenagers of lower middle family. Here, the main character Sophie. Sophie and Janse were fast friends. They both were returning from school and they both were talking to each other and they are returning from school. While returning from school, Sophie declared that in future she is going to have a boutique. This boutique cost a lot. Even though Sophie declared that she will have a boutique in future, on her this declaration, Janse doubted and she thought that it was impossible thing, and that's why she insisted and says that it will take much time to gather that amount of money to open the boutique. When she doubted, then Sophie started giving her imaginative method to achieve that amount of money. She says that she would achieve her goal by becoming a manager like Mary Quant. She straightway think that she would become a manager. Even on this also, so Janse objects that nobody will make her a manager straightway. Then she says that she would become an actress. There she would earn money or she would become a fashion designer. By any hooks and crooks, she want to earn that much amount of money so that she could open the boutique. But Jansen knew they are made for working in a biscuit factory. Jansen is also of same age, but she was a realistic girl. Her feet were on ground. She never dreams. She never imagined. But on the other hand, Sophie always imagined for a better life, for a very hi-fi life. But Jansen knew they are made for working in a biscuit factory. She was knowing that they are only suitable to work as a labor in a biscuit factory. While having these types of discussions, Sophie reached up to the street of her house. Sophie reached home with a remark to her friend that if ever I come into money, I will buy a boutique. Before entering into the house, on the door, she puts a remark, a farewell remark to her friend that ever she would possess money, she would buy a boutique. On her this remark, we see the reaction of her family member, especially little Derek, her younger brother, listening this remarks on her that she thinks money grows on trees. This younger brother puts this remark that Sophie thinks that money grows on tree. On this, Sophie's mother shied with a sorrow. This shows that even her family member also knows her habit of imagining, knows her habit of dreaming. That's why they put this type of remark and they don't take her seriously. Sophie's reaction on seeing the room. When Sophie entered into the room, before entering into the room, here when we saw that when she was discussing with her friend, she was in the world of imagination of opening the boutique, of a fantastic boutique in which she was enjoying her life. But when she entered into her own room or house, she came into the realistic world where she find a dirty room which is full of steams. Dirty washing piles were kept there. Everything was randomly put here and there. Seeing the realistic thing, she felt suffocation and tightened into her throat. Now she wanted to come out from this suffocation. She went to her brother whose name was Geoff. She searched him because Geoff is only the member whom she used to share all her secrets. And this is a boy. This Geoff is her elder brother who patiently hear all her stories and did not react like other family members. That's why she often, whenever she has to share her secrets, she used to search her elder brother to express her secrets. Rest part I will explain in another lecture. Till now you have seen the habit of Sophie. In next lecture we will see some of the reactions and actions of Geoff. Thank you. I hope that you have understood this.